Hi girls. It's look like spring's coming today. So after a long winter we decided to fill up a pond for our ducks. So maybe in a little while you will see how they are taking their first spring bath. Bye. Okay. So how you can see, pond is almost filled up. I think Lucas will pour last two bottles, and ducks are pretty excited to have their first spring bath. So let's see. Lucky,
yeah.
Say hi to girls.
Hi girls.
Okay. So it's look like they are going to have a bath. So the dark one is male. You can also see the curly feathers on his bottom. That's how you recognize he is a male. And he's also darker one. He's much more darker than the male, female ducks are. So, okay, here it is. Yeah. You can hear all that excitement. Yeah. So they will probably play like this for a little while, and then they start to clean their feathers. They love to have a bath even when it's freezing, when it's really cold, because their feathers is oiled. So they can have a bath whenever they want. They won't be cold. They are just crazy. That's what they do like whole day. During the summer, when it's really hot and the sun is shining a lot, they really can spend all day in the water. You big boy. Yes, you are. Oops. And over here you can see our fluffy chickens. They probably came to see what's going on here. Beep 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 beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. They're really exciting and curious what's going on. Yeah, now you can see the curly feather on his bottom. That's how you recognize a male. Yeah. And now he's oiling his feathers and cleaning. And then the oil protects him from winter and cold and water. So even when they are in water, their feathers still dry, never wet. Oh, and here goes our rooster. His name is Cecil, and this one, it's a chicken girl, Evgen, and this one we call Yellow, and that one in the back, it's Emilka. Call her Emilka. But Emmy, cook. Emmy, Emilka, cook. What can you pot? What can you pot? Emmy. Cecila. Cecilku. Chickens don't like to be wet. They are not having bath, and they just don't like it. So they are probably running away because ducks are spraying water everywhere. We are saying bye for now. Hopefully see you very soon with another video. So bye. Bye bye.